Good morning. It's like 3:30 in the morning. We're at 11,000 feet. Got like 4 hours of sleep. My phone didn't charge last night, and it sounds like it's pouring rain out right now. But we're heading out for a 3.5 hour drive and then hiking at 16,000 feet today. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah.
I got up an hour earlier than we had to leave. Made some coffee. I'm eating some cereal.
She's gonna be
I
asleep.
have an avocado right here I'm gonna get into.
She's gonna be asleep in 10 minutes. So Jose just picked us up. It's 4 a.m. and raining outside.
We're on our way to our first hike in Peru. It's a very unique spot that not many people have been to, so we're super excited. We're on the most gnarly road right now. Literally, we are the first tourists ever to be on this road in this town, in this village we just passed through. And we literally are having to move big, huge boulders to get across the rivers, to get across little parts of this dirt road.
My name is Jose. I'm from Killa Expeditions. We are heading into the Walkacuncu, the new Rainbow Mountain. As you can see, the roads are not in good conditions. So when we come to explore these mountains, we like to work with the locals. So I think we're at 15,000 feet or something right now. And Jose told us he wanted to explore New Rainbow Mountain. He did not tell us that we were gonna be the first foreigners to ever go there. So we're driving on this road. We've had to move boulders. We've had to drive over streams, through waterfalls. This waterfall right here is a little too gnarly. So we're gonna be hopping out of the van, getting on these motorbikes, and continuing our way to the top. Hopefully get some dope shots. So this is the road, but clearly we can't make it. So we're getting on bikes. See you at the top. So Jose didn't really say anything about this. He just said he wanted to take us to a mountain that no one's ever been to before. But now we're on the bikes. We got right at the top. You can see we're crossing some pretty sketchy paths. But all for the shot. All right, so we just got off the bikes. Now we're at 4,900 meters. So a little bit over 15,000 feet.
It's our first hike.
Hiking a little over an hour to the new Rainbow Mountain. I believe we are going to that and that. So this altitude is kicking my ass. Bri's bossing through it. She got the Colorado elevation. She's got a little edge, but getting my ass kicked. And I just slipped. I don't know if you can see, but on the slippery part, I just ate shit. But we're almost to the top.
We made it to the top. Yes. Oh my god. That was hard. That was seriously hard. Check out the homies. That was the top, so just a little bit more, but in theory, we already made it.
So we made it. My head is on fire, excruciating pain. But we're at the new Rainbow Mountain. We're the first foreigners to come here. We have it all to ourselves and our homies that brought us up here. So gonna get a shot of Bri and just kind of go through behind the scenes how I do it, what settings. So right here There's awesome rainbow colors as well as up here, and I really like how there's curvature in these colors up to the top of that. And also just the angle of it I think will look really nice. Bri, do you want to head down there?